Right, guys. Now I just found this station in Cheshunt, and I took in my Fiat Scudo, which has a 2 liters a diesel engine, Citroen engine, the same as the Dispatch and the Expert. So here's also the little video. You just watch through what is it doing. I mean, obviously I speed everything up because I have a life as well. So I don't want to stay there 90 minutes talk about it. So I speed it up. Check this out, what this is doing, and it changed my car completely. I mean, this is going like absolutely crazy. It changed the sounds. It's just really nice and fresh. So I definitely can recommend anyone to go there and check this out, because this is the price is £99 for an hour worth of cleaning. It cleans your EGR valve. It cleans all your sensors, all your lambda sensors. It cleans your turbo. It turns your injections hoses completely. It cleans the engine left, right, and center. And of course, the engine is full of carbon. The parts cannot move properly, so it's all a pain in the neck. Right, so this is the sound of the engine. It has another 15 minutes left. So it was on for 60 minutes, and this costs £99. Well worth the money, because you will save. If you have to change the particulate filter and the EGR valve, you're talking about £1,000. Leave alone. I've just done this carbon cleaning at this company in Cheshunt. The description will be in the box down there. On that old car, 13 years, never been cleaned, and this just become a completely new car. This is just an incredible difference it made. It was 1 hour on, it cost £99. It is absolutely well worth the money. Now, if you have a car which is completely clogged, they recommend 90 minutes, which is gonna cost you 145 quid, but this is the best investment in your whole life. This is it. The engine is smooth, everything is clean, the turbo is clean, the EGR valve is cleaned, the injectors are all cleaned, and this is within 60 minutes. Now, I just had recently the EGR valve changed, which cost me 250 quid. Now, if I would have done this 2 weeks ago, that would not have happened, because everything was so much blocked. Everything was so much blocked that simply the valve just popped. So I'm going to open that thing now. So this is well worth it. This is well worth it, I can tell you that. And huge recommendation. This is a certified service. I'm just gonna get a sticker right now that is all good and all cleaned. And this is something which I highly recommend for all of my subscribers and followers, because on a old car, this makes a huge difference. So all they do, they just pop in that hydrogen right here in where the air filter is, and as I said, it takes around an hour. And now I've got the sticker as well. So this is a well spent money. Look at this. 50% up to 50% fuel savings, and this is just the fuel. But imagine all the diesel particles and everything in the car, clogging the engine, clogging the valves, clogging everything. So this is just sure.